Hey guys, so basically I'm basically left off from what I did before, so I'm gonna do another 30-minute episode, and then I have to go clean my house. But I feel like recording back to back because it's actually a lot easier to do, especially with my new desktop. I have hide. Oh shit, we have a hide thing right now. Not good. I'm not gonna read these. Can I can move this, so I am what I am. Hold on, did I miss anything? Not that I know of. I can open this. No, I can't open this door. Okay. Let's head out. Ouch. Alright, let's open over here. Oh, I'm out of battery. Cool. Battery time. Alright. Anybody that's gonna try to kill me? Oh yeah, it's the elevator one. I can't. This can't be turned on yet.
They've got to have a generator or something.
So guys, this is my third time doing this. Let's hopefully I don't die again. I didn't get very far, but I got kind of far, and it's starting to get annoyed. It's wailing. She always says that. There's a woman right there, by the way, behind me, but she's not gonna do anything to me. Jesus, please help. Jesus is here to protect me in this playthrough. I guess I can't get the battery because I guess supposedly I got it last time. Okay, there's gonna be a guy coming out of there. Let's run. Oh, he didn't come out. Okay. That works too. I'm shocked now. He came out last couple of times and he bugged the shit out of me. Oh shit, man. I forgot that happens. That kind of scared me a little. Papa Nath. Is there... I'm sorry, I kicked you in the ribs. That's probably why you're breathing so heavy. Okay, this is upstairs, that's right. Nothing over here. Nope, but I don't read those anymore. Nothing over here. Okay, what's in here? Is that crank?
That's gotta be it. If I can find my way back to the elevator.
This is a bad idea too. Because people will know I'm here. Holy fuck, man. So, you can't get close to her because she will kill you. So this woman could kill me. I don't think so, though. There's something worse that's waiting for me right now. Man, I don't know how I'm gonna get past this person. But I think I might actually have a clue. Alright, that guy's gonna run. And then I'm gonna go in one of these places. Fuck, man, fuck you. No, please don't. Run! Run! Just run as fast as you can. Oh, just in time.
will be ravenous in my hands.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? She wants some dick. That's what she wants. Okay. Oh, something over there, I guess. Here, okay. Oh, that sign? Is that what he's reading? Sullivan North. Knoth. Knoth. Let's see what it says.
Temple Gate, founded by Sullivan Noth, a modern Ezekiel. Their knives sharp for the enemy.
Nice, sharp for the enemy. Okay. Oh, this is also a bad place. If I remember correctly.
Jessica?
Oh, it's Jessica. That's her name. Oh, fuck. Am I gonna dream again? Yep. You're in a dream, buddy. This creature in his dreams is like really horrifying.
Don't let this happen.
Okay, that way. Blake. Blake's his name.
I'm scared. We're not alone.
It's weird how you waste battery in your dreams also. I really want to leave this on. We're in the classroom again. Nice. Jesus. You're okay. You're okay, Blake. That's creepy. Hello?
I'm scared.
Hello? 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 Is there anybody in here? Hello? What the fuck? Oh, cool. Wind it up. Pop goes nothing. What was the point of that? I have no clue. There's nothing over there. Try this door. No, this door's locked. Fuck you. Okay, what do I do then? I keep hearing laugh. Okay. What do I do? Is there anything I forgot over here? Not that I know of. Okay, I'll run back, I guess. This is really creepy. Especially... Oh, shit.
Jessica.
Door's open now. Whoa, is he taking her? Is that battery? Yeah, it's battery. Oh, it's nothing. Nothing over here. Okay. Where'd they take Jessica? Oh. Oh, fuck. She's hanging. I'm sure if you, like, put this backwards or something like that and slow it down, you'll be able to hear
Oh
the...
God. Jess.
You'll be able to hear the voices of what they say. Oh, fuck! See the hands? Oh. It's a dark place right there, though. Is there anything to go? Not that I know of. Oh! Oh shit!
Beast.
I'll bleed you in the yard!
What the fuck, dude? Alright, run! Run! Shut it. Oh shit, fuck it. Run, run.
The bone's been burned.
Run. Just keep on running. Never mind about the fucking doors. Come on. Whee! So this is my second time doing this. And I'm not liking this because I'm being chased after again. I hate the feeling of getting chased. But this game does a lot of that. Oh. Just surrounding me. Is he still after me? I don't see him. Do I see a light? Yeah, he's right there. Yep, he's right there. He's coming after me. Fucking A. Come on, I gotta figure out something. Can I lock it? Yeah, I can. Alright. That's the way you go. How the hell did he get through the door so...
Burned. Her scum. She'll be in the fire. Consume
Alright.
flesh.
Pretty soon I'm probably gonna have to hide in some of these beds.
Okay.
Yeah. And I had to go wait where he just came from. Heretics. There's no door, so just run, I guess. There really is no time to pick up shit, is there? He'll try to come see me. I know he will. Watch. Told ya. Just run. Run. Okay, I think I'm all set now. Oh. She's still alive. Oh.
The chapel. Somebody there will know where they've taken Lynn.
I heard you like the 5th time.
I guess this is where the magic happens. Chairs for an audience to watch. I only saw her afterwards. I couldn't have...
Like they fucked her or something. Or he did. That's messed up. Alright, interact. We'll play a little bit more. Seeing as I died a couple times, I don't think it's going to be very long if I ended here. Plus, it's not been 30 minutes anyway, so...
Fuck is this?
It looks like pitchforks or something. Something that you, if you land on, you'll die.
Ah, shit.
Not pitchforks, but spikes. Just don't. That's very... I don't even know if I could do that. I'd probably be stuck between a rock and a hard place because I wouldn't be able to do that. What's happening next? Hello? Hello? Is anybody home? Is there any batteries? Yep, there's one right there. Door one unlock. Door do. Hey, somebody's playing the drums. Not drums, the guitar. Is there anything over here? Any batteries? Anything? Doesn't look like it. Are you fucking serious? How the hell did he know? Let's go up the stairs. How the fuck am I supposed to get out? Already down here. Ouch. Okay. Harrison's glass shattering, so they're probably breaking through something. Shit. More. Just go. Go. What the fuck? I got stuck. More of these. Oh, I hate doing this. What the fuck? It's fork time. It's like right behind me. Alright, that's what you do. Okay. Right. Remember now. Okay. What the fuck? Alright, here we go. Go further. Are they still chasing me? Alright, I think they stopped. As soon as I get in here, I think they've stopped. Alright guys, it's gonna be it for this playthrough. I hope you guys enjoy. Outlast 2, I almost said 3. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also subscribe to my first channel, which is Resident Links. And I'll subscribe to this one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more videos like these if you like these. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. And see you next time, and have a good day, have a good night, and be safe. Bye.